When it comes to the business of Forex trading, there are three key things that are needed in order to be successful. I'm sure you want to be successful and make a lot of money from the business. So the three most important things that any trader needs is strategy. Number one, you must have a trading strategy. A trading strategy is going to help you to enter the market and also to exit the market. And this is one major problem that traders normally have: poor entry, poor exit. So once you have a strategy that you have back tested and then you have proven to work well, then you stick to that strategy. There are 1,000,001 strategies out there. You cannot use 1,000,001. Pick one, because there is also no strategy that is 100%. There is no holy grail. All strategies will work and will also fail. So you must understand your strategy well enough so that when it's working, you stick with it, and then when it's failing, you've already known when it's going to fail so that you don't use it during that period. Number two, you must have good risk management. Risk management is also known as money management, and this is going to help you to minimize losses. Number one, to minimize losses, because you are going to have losses. It is part of the business. It is not a cost. So you are going to have losses, number one. So you need to be able to minimize your losses effectively, and then also maximize your profit. So that the profits that you have, they are well maximized. So risk management is very important as well. And then number three, you must have the right mindset. You must have the right mentality, which is known as the psychology of trading. I told you earlier that you're going to have losses, but then some people go on and then have losses that are way too big and then ends up messing with their mindset. You must be able to ensure that because you know you're going to have losses, you keep them to a minimum. You can see how the strategy, risk management, and then this psychology of trading, how they are intertwined at the end of the day. And then don't forget, psychology of trading also has to do with your emotions. You must make sure that your emotions are well controlled. You must be able to trade like a robot at the end of the day. Trading like a robot simply means that your emotions are flat, right? So now these are the three most important things that you need to be successful, that any trader needs to be successful in any area. Whether you are trading the Forex, you are trading the cryptocurrencies, you are trading stocks, have these three things and trust me, success will be yours. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. It helps the algorithm, and of course, you will get notification when we drop another video like this. Thank you, enjoy the rest of your day, and goodbye for now. Cheers.